this TOPGO, and what this is it's a golf phone caddy, it's called, but it can connect up to anything supposedly. So we're gonna try this thing out here just on the treadmill for right now, before I put it on the bikes. I just have bicycles, I don't really have a golf cart. But we'll try this out and see what it looks like here. So this is what it comes with, pretty empty inside otherwise. I guess it does have a little instruction guide, customer service number, and pretty self-explanatory, I would say. Pretty much just screw it onto the handlebars. So let's try this out and see what it looks like here. So inside here, and this is what it looks like. Pretty heavy duty. So if you were going for light on a bicycle, might not be the best, but man, this thing's sturdy. This would be good for, yeah, if you have a motorcycle or something like that. And let's see, you can lock. So on the back here, there's the little lock and unlock to, I guess, to lock its place. And then here it can stretch. So here you can see now it stretches out. And then once you get it to where you want it, you can lock it in place and it stays. So let's see how this will go here. So then you unscrew this to open the clamp, to clamp it onto pretty much anything. I don't see why it's really necessary. It says golf cart. I guess because you can do it this way. You can do it any way you want. So if it was going onto an upright bar, you can make it upright and upright, whatever you want. So I'm just going to try it here on the side of this treadmill. And there, now it's on there tight, and you can adjust the phone. That's pretty sweet. I like it. It's gonna work. I don't have my phone. My phone is what I'm using to record this, so that's gonna be difficult for me to show you in there, but I don't really see any reason with it. I'm gonna take a look. I'll show you guys how it works here. So it's got little indents in there and indents up here, so it'll fit a really thick phone even with a case on it if you look at that. Mine has a case, and it has even a handle on it. I don't see any problem fitting it on there. It's locked right now, so now if I go back to unlock, then it cinches down again. I guess depending on how you're using it, you could either lock it or keep it unlocked. But it seems pretty sweet to me. I like it. So thumbs up from me. Be sure to pick up one of these things. This is the TOPGO. It's got it written on there, TOPGO. And it's nice. It's really heavy duty plastic. I mean, it's got metal on these things here. It's like that. It's not going anywhere. This is gonna handle good. This would be great on a motorcycle, on a car, anywhere that you really need to just clamp it to something. And it's good because it can clamp to pretty much anything because it's pretty adjustable here. You could probably even just stick it on anything. So seems good. Thumbs up. Like it. Pick one of these up. TOPGO. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon too. And the link is in the description so you guys can pick one of these up for yourself. So just click the link. Bye.